let's look at the solution of this one. Okay, so let's look at the problem first. Solve a right angle spherical triangle problem now. Okay, given the angle A is 90 degrees, so the right angle. So this is very important. So right angle, when you see a right angle spherical triangle, you know that this is going to use Napier's rule. Okay, Napier's rule. So Napier's rule is very fundamental in nautical science. Okay, Napier's rule. So you know straight away you know what use Napier's rule, and one angle 90 degree. So you draw the triangle first. Then you get a better reference how this triangle will look like. Okay, this A here 90 degree. Okay, then you get B, got C, the ABC, right? So A is 90 degree. So side AB is 46 degree. So this is 46 degree, 90 minutes. Okay, then where angle B? Okay, angle B is 34 degree, 28 minutes. Solve the triangle. That means that I want to figure out what is angle C, what is AC, what is BC as well. Okay, so this is a spherical triangle, right? So to solve this, you must draw a Napier's wheel first. So I draw a Napier's wheel first. Napier's wheel. So Napier's wheel always have two halves. Okay, the top half has two portions. Bottom half has three portions. In Napier's wheel. And this is important now because in my MCQ, I will have questions like this. Fill in the blank. What is the missing part in the Napier's wheel? Okay, I draw a triangle for you, then you figure out how do I figure out all the blank, right? So first of all, this angle is 90 degrees, so you put A here. It's 90 degrees. Okay, put A is 90 degrees, right? Then you trace the Napier's wheel clockwise. Okay, when it go into angle A. So when you do this is how it go in angle A. Okay, go in angle A clockwise because you go clockwise like this. So angle A, the first thing is angle the side BA, right? So this is how it will angle A is BA first. This is how go into angle A. Then when is it leaving angle A? So this is how leaving angle A is this one. Okay, this is AC now. So this is AC. Okay, then you encounter the angle C. So you put angle C now. Okay, go to AC there. First thing, encounter angle C. Then when it leave angle C now, you go this way. This is CB, right? CB here. So this one is CB now. Then encounter angle B. So it is angle B here. Then we know lower half, there's a comp. Okay, this is how you draw the Napier's wheel. Okay, Napier's wheel looks something like this.
Sir,
Okay,
one doubt, please.
which one?
Sir, why not A come at top side? Your right hand side is AB, like, so why can't we start CA like that?
Okay, then you are not in the clockwise direction because when you trace, actually is nothing wrong with that. If you say I want to get this way, right? Then you must be consistent every time as clockwise or anti-clockwise. So you can always use clockwise or anti-clockwise. It doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay, sir, clockwise. Okay, I understand, sir. Why we put the A downside? We can put upside also, right?
Yeah, yes. No matter how to draw it, it doesn't matter, right? How to draw a triangle. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can try that. Draw a triangle up. The A is on top now. How it look like? Okay. I think it's just more or less the same as the one I have. Okay. Just be opposite only. Okay. So don't worry about this. All right. If you draw a triangle for you, then when you fix already, right? If I don't draw it, you can draw it yourself. And because then I cannot control how to draw a triangle, so everybody got draw a triangle different way. Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so now I want to do some calculation. Let's see what are the calculation I get. So first of all, I know AB side. So AB side, this is a 46 degree, BSI 46 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, I know AB, which is same as BA now. I know an angle B is here, which is 34 degree. Okay, and today we need. Okay, so I have two things to know only. Then look at what is the most obvious thing you can find. Okay, what is the most obvious thing you can find now? Of course, the most obvious thing you only two information. This is only two information. The most obvious thing you can find is here, opposite. Okay, the most obvious thing is this one, and the rest are the opposite. I usually use two color for opposite here. Okay, these two are given a color blue. I know this. Then the opposite, I don't know. So the best way to find the opposite first, which is C, angle C. So let's recall the Napier's rule. What does Napier's rule say, right? Napier's rule always start with sine. Sine of middle part. So this time I use opposite now. It's a product of cosine of opposite. Okay, sine of middle part is a product of cosine opposite. So actually, middle part is always the orange one. I want to find something I want to find. I will put orange. No, sorry. Something I want to find, I always put yellow. Okay. Then something I know. In this case, opposite now. Both of them are blue color one. Okay. So then I can write down the things I want to find is sine of angle C. Now the problem is angle C is in the lower half of the view. So this is not really angle C now. This is actually com C now. So remember always at the com there for lower half. So this is actually com C. Okay, because of lower half there, Napier's view is com C. Right? And then equal to product of cosine of what? One AB or BA. Then the other one is again in lower half. So this is cosine, the cosine of com B. Okay, cosine of com B. So this looks something like this. Yeah, the cosine of com B. So I use the wrong color. So let me change the color here because I use a green color. So I want to use a blue color one. Okay, then I want to continue by sharing with you some of the trigo thing, right? How to look at trigo thing, right? So I will go to the next page and look at some trigo thing. So insert a page here about trigo thing. Okay, how do you look at this one? So I'm going to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, and then repeat this thing. There's an A here. This thing is com A. Okay, com A means 90 degree minus A. Okay, draw a right angle triangle. And usually I call this y here, this x here, and then this hypotenuse. Okay, since we have sine of middle part first, right? Happen to be, I have a column there. Okay, since the sine column C, let's start with sine column C. What is this equal to, right? What is actually sine of column A? Okay, sine of column A by definition is opposite of column A divided by hypotenuse. This sine is always opposite over hypotenuse here. So opposite of column A is what? Is x. Opposite the angle column A is x here. Hypotenuse is HYP. Now x over HYP is actually cosine of A. Cosine is x over hypotenuse. So this is cosine of A. So sine of column A is actually same as cosine of A. Okay. Then how about others? Okay, we also have cosine of one thing now. Cosine of column A is equal to, how to find cosine is adjacent. Adjacent of column A over the hypotenuse. Adjacent of column A happen to be y over hypotenuse here. So y over hypotenuse happen to be sine A. Okay, so sine of column A is same as cosine A. Cosine of column A is same as sine A. How about next one? Tangent of column A. Okay, tangent of column A here. What is it equal to? We know tangent of the angle is opposite of column A now over adjacent of column A. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, this is how you get tangent of angle. And in this case, opposite of column A is equal to x here. Adjacent of column A is happen to be y. And what is x over y? Of course, we don't know yet. I can change it to 1 over y over x. Okay, 1 over y over x is what? 1 y over x is actually tangent A. Okay, opposite over adjacent, so tangent A. Okay, so this is what are the 3 rules to help you simplify. Otherwise, your calculation a lot of minus sign, right? Then makes things very complicated and confusing. So I can use this to go back. Okay, go back here. So let's see what is that. Sine of column C. I know that sine of column C is same as cosine of C now. Simplify, right? Sine of column C, cosine of C. Cosine of BA, just leave it there. Cosine of column B, we know that cosine of column B is same as sine of B now. Okay, so you take it, all the column disappear already. So cosine BA, you calculate cosine BA is 46 degrees, 90 minutes. And sine of B is sine of 34 degree, 28 minutes. So let's calculate them. So cosine 46 degree, okay, 46 degree and 19 minutes there. This cosine times sine 34 degree, 28 minutes. So multiply them, 0.3i and 0.9. Okay. So C is equal to cosine inverse of 0.3909. Then press calculator, shift inverse cosine, and the answer is equal to 66.99 or 66 degree, 59 minutes. This is C. Okay. When you press sine inverse, cosine inverse, okay, you get only one answer. So this is actually 66 degree, 59 minutes already. When you look at what you can want to find, in this case, for the first thing you can find actually is C. So find C first. Okay, now see the answer now. So that means the C is 66 degree, 59 minutes now. Okay, which is given there answer. So this is a good result. Then we're going to move on to find the next one. Okay, so this is how I did the first one. Okay, now I want to copy this slide to the next page and move on, right? So I know C already. Let me edit, select page here, edit, copy page here, and then go to move on, copy and paste. Okay, so let me erase the color now. What are the things I can find? So erase the yellow here, erase the blue here. So what is the next thing you can find is actually, let's say BC, right? Let's say find BC. Okay, so okay, BC is a good choice. We can only left with AC and BC. So let's try to find BC now. So I'm going to find the middle part. BC is what now? Okay, so okay, let's see what are the choice here. BC is here. Can you use opposite? You cannot use opposite now because AC you don't know. So you can only use, okay, you can only use the adjacent. Okay, adjacent, I use a pink color one. So this time, sine of middle part is a product of Napier's rule after you do every time. Product of what now? Product of tangent. Okay, product of tangent of adjacent. Okay, this is how you remember. Opposite you use cosine, product cosine. Adjacent, green color one, you do it product of tangent. So this is the second part. Now I want to find the CB now, right? So this one, quite a lot of things to do. So let me select page here. The person always start with sine or something, sine of middle part, okay? The middle part, in this case, is CB. Now the CB is in the lower half of view. So be careful now. This is actually com of CB now. Okay, you need a com there because it's in the lower half of a view. Okay, so it's lower half of a view, so you need a com there to CB. Okay, you need a lower half. It's lower half, so that's why you can com CB. And then product of tangent, right? So product of tangent now is tangent of, okay, again they are all in the lower half of view there. Com B and then product of com C. Okay, the green color one. So com B and com C. Now simplify this. Sine com of BC or CB here is the same as cosine of CB. Okay, sine com CB is the same as cosine of CB. And then how about tangent com B? Tangent com B, just now I mentioned to you, if you still remember, I told this one, tangent com A is 1 over tangent A. So make use of this. Where is it now? Okay, so tangent com B is 1 over, okay, I want this color. Okay, 1 over tangent B. Tangent com C is 1 over tangent C, right? So they'll save you a lot of minus sign because in the 90 minus, it makes things very difficult. So let's see what is this now. So 1 over tangent B, so tangent B, you know, 34 degree, 28 minutes. And then 1 over tangent C is 66 degree, 59 minutes. Okay, so you multiply them and let's see what you get now. So 1 over now, so reciprocal, 1 over now tangent 34 degree and 28 minutes, and times tangent of 66 degree, 59 minutes. Okay, what is this thing now? It's 0.6188. I think 6189, huh? So CB is equal to cosine inverse of 0.6189. And then press calculator cosine inverse now. Sine inverse answer. And this time you get 67 degree, 29 minutes. Okay, am I correct? Okay, 67 degree. Or I make calculator error. CP. Could be I make calculator here. How come my answer is so strange? I need to try again. Okay, 1 over. Anyone got a different answer from mine? Let's see. Just now I check. Okay, 34 degree, 28 minutes. Okay, 34 degree, 28 minutes. And then multiply by tangent of 66 degree. Okay, 59 minutes. Close. 0.6188 here. Then I want to find cosine inverse here. Shift cosine inverse. Answer 51 degree. I make mistake there just now. Okay, 51 degree and 47 minutes. Okay, so this is BC now. This is BC correct already. So press calculator. Be careful. So this I find BC now. So I know this is actually 57 degree, 51 degree, 47 minutes now. Right, this is the second part. So and then I want to continue the last part, find AC now, right? So let me copy this page here, or just assign to you this page first. Okay, we'll select this here and then copy, select copy page here. So I'm going to now go to the next page now and find out the last part, AC now. So let me find AC now. So AC is the one that's yellow now. So I'm going to erase this yellow part now. Okay, until the pen actually roll only. So let me erase this one. So AC is the yellow part. It is the yellow part here. So I can use the tangent again. I use the green part. Okay, I'm going to use the green part since I have just now use the green part just now. I use this again. So beta bar the AC. So I can erase this now. AC, right? Beta part is AC, and then the BA, tangent of BA on top. Then C now, okay, com C. So we need com C here. It's good because there. So I can find sine of AC now. So this is sine AC here. Sine of AC equal to, okay, this BA now, tangent BA. So I leave it there as alone. All right, so let's put in the calculator. So BA is 4619, right? So tangent of 4619. Okay, let's find the final answer. And I'm going to find AC now. Okay, so you press calculator now. Okay, my pen is run out of battery only. So I think a bit trouble here. So let's see what is this now. 4619. So find out tangent of 46 degree, 19 degree, every minute here, divided by tangent of 66 degree, 59 minutes. You get 0.4448. Okay, so this is 0.4448 here. Okay, 0.4448. So now, so this is actually sine inverse, 0.4448. So the answer given by the book, okay, is 26 degree, 24 minutes. Okay, this is one AC. Okay, however, okay, 26 degree, there's also an answer. Okay, I just press the inverse calculator. There's another answer here, or AC is equal to 180 minus 26 degree, 24 minutes. So you take 180 degree minus 26 degree, 24 minutes, and you get 153 degree, 36 minutes. Okay, so you get AC, but which one is correct? Of course, fine. Answer is 24, as I mentioned, at 26 degree, 24 minutes. Why AC cannot be like this? Reject. Okay, this one, I reject this one because the largest angle is 90 degree, right? So largest angle is 90 degree here. The side opposite largest angle is 51, 7 minutes, right? So that means that whatever the AC is cannot be larger than the longer side, because largest angle is 90 degree. So longer side is 51 degree for 7 minutes. So we reject this one because this is too big only. Okay, because AC, because of this, AC must be less than 51 degree for the 7 minutes, because the largest angle is 90 degree and opposite the largest angle is the longer side. So that's why you know this is the correct answer. So you can WhatsApp this to you. Okay, so this is question 1. Okay, how to do question 1? I think about half an hour to do question 1. So I hope I can finish question 3 in 1 hour. Okay, this is question 1. Okay, so I move on to question 2 now. Question 2 I don't need to do because I have spare it for you so that you can do question 2 yourself. Okay, question 2 you do yourself. All right, it's very similar, right angle triangle. So question 3 I want to do for you. Question 3 I'll do for you, right? So I'm going to go for question 3 now. Okay, question 3 I'll do for you, and then question 4 you do it yourself for me, right? Okay, question 3 why is so special on question 3 though? This one is a lot of work here. So solve a spherical triangle PZX here. Okay, solve a spherical triangle PZX here. P is 82 degree and side P is 51 and Z is 45. So let's try to find the draw triangle first. Let's see here. So draw triangle first. There's a P, and then there's a Z, there's a X here. Okay. So P is 82 degree. Side P, I mean the side opposite P is 51 degree. 52 seconds. Okay, opposite side P, 51 degree, 52 seconds, 51 minutes away. And then what else? Side Z, opposite angle Z is this one, is 45 degree. These are information you know. The only problem is there is no 90 degree now. Okay, there's no 90 degree now. So normally, if there's no 90 degree, you have to split the triangle into half. Okay, so that each half has 90 degree. How do you split the triangle? Okay, it's what is split a triangle so that at least two information is on one triangle. Okay, at least two information on one triangle. So you can split the triangle this way. So this is the way I will know that this is how you split them. So you split the triangle this way. This is called M here, and then this is 90 degree. So split into triangle into two half. Okay, this is one way, huh? So that at least two information are in the one triangle. Okay, so if you split a triangle this way, let's say if you have this one, you see what happened is this X, Z, P, right? So let's say you split a triangle this way. So this is 82. this is 51 degree, and then this 45, right? Then you have problem there. You don't have at least two information inside one triangle. Okay, for example, this one is good because you have at least two information inside one triangle, right? This one, this is inside one triangle, this is inside one triangle, one side of a triangle. Whereas this one, you only will have one side here, one side here, okay? But z equal to 45 belong to which triangle? Cannot, right? So that's why you split them correctly, then it's easier for you. Otherwise, you cannot do the Napier's view. Okay, so it becomes something like this. So there are two triangles there. Okay, let's go to the Napier's view with two triangles. The one easy one have two more information. So for spherical triangle, let's see PMX now. Okay, PMX now. So let me, I will draw a triangle bigger, then you can see. Sorry, where PMX, why is the right angle now? Right angle is like M. So you draw the Napier's view. Okay, upper half, two parts, lower the three parts. Okay, then M is a 90 degree. Okay, M 90 degree here. So let's see how to do this clockwise, right? Clockwise. So I'm going to do this clockwise now. So this way. Is it this way? No, this is not the correct way. Huh? I'm going to go into M. Okay, go into M, right? Go into M in this way. This one go into M. So how do we go into M, right? So when go to M is XM. Okay, go to M. Then leaving M. Okay, leaving M will be this way now. Clockwise, I go clockwise, right? So MP now. Then I meet the angle P. Then leaving angle P, leaving angle P is PX, right? So this is PX here. Then meet the angle X. So this one I want to call it, let's say angle X. This one I call it X1 now. So let's call it X1. Okay, X1 here. So X1 is actually angle PXM. Huh? X1 actually angle PXM, right? In notation, it's actually PXM. And then there's a comma. Okay, so this is for triangle PMX. Okay, next there's another triangle on the right half, which is less information now. So this one, on top there are two halves. M is again 90 degree. So want to go clockwise, right? Clockwise, you can go into M. This is ZM here. So ZM is clockwise. ZM. Leaving M. This one should be MX again. Okay, then encounter angle again. This one, let's call it X2 now. X2. So the X2 here, which is angle same as MXZ. MXZ, huh? X2. And then go into the side is ZX now. Okay, ZX now. So it is ZX here. Then come to angle Z. The view, second half. Okay, so this is how you draw the views now. One on the left side, you have more information. and on the right side you have less information. So you split the triangle in such a way you have two information within one triangle. Okay, you split the triangle so that you have two of the information within one triangle, otherwise you cannot solve. Okay, this is a technique how to split a triangle so that you have at least two information inside one triangle, right? And when you come to this situation, because now there is no 90-degree now, so you have split them into two 90-degree triangle. Okay, so next one. Now I'm going to focus on the left triangle now. Okay? The upper triangle, easy triangle here. So let me copy the page here and select page here. Copy away, then copy page here. So I move to the next page now. Okay, so I will concentrate on the left side now. So I erase this thing. Later on I go back. I need space. So let me draw this closer. So can squeeze them a bit here. So let's look at information. What do I have? I have px. Px I know. The px is equal to 45 degree. Okay, I know px 45 degree. What else? I know p 82 degree. Okay, these two I know. So obviously, the thing I should find first is xm, opposite of these two. Okay, you see this is one just nice. I can find straight away. Based on this opposite, I use blue for opposite here. So you can see that I using this. Okay, so the formula I use is sine of middle part. I always use yellow for middle part, right? Sine of middle is a product of opposite now. Okay, cosine of opposite. Okay, because yellow part opposite is a blue part, right? So this is actually opposite, and this yellow part is the cosine sine, right? So we can find that this is sine xm now. So sine xm product of cosine now. So the cosine of com p now. You need with com p because the p is on the lower half of view, and cosine of com px, that in a lower half of view, right? So that's why something like this. Okay, so com px. Okay, then we can simplify, right? Cosine com p. We know cosine com p is just out already. So this is same as sine p. Cosine com px is same as sine px. Then you put down sine p is sine 82. What is sine px? Sine px is sine 45 degree. So you press calculator. Okay, sine 82. Okay, sine 82 degree. Okay, sine 82 degree and sine 45 degree. 45 together. Okay, 0.7702. 0.7002 here. So you can find what is xm now. So xm, okay, is equal to, okay, xm is equal to sine inverse 0.7002. Let's see what is this thing now. So sine inverse 3 sine inverse, answer. Okay, you get 44 something, right? 44 degree, 26 minutes. Okay, 44 degree, I think 27 minutes. Okay, 27 minutes is the correct one. And try. Okay, so this is xm, but there's also another one, or xm equal to 180 degree minus 44 degree, 27 minutes. So you minus 180 down. Okay, then you get 135 degree, 135 degree, and 33 minutes. Okay, why is this so? Why is it so? How come we have this special case? Because remember, okay, let me, the right angle triangle, only not regular angle for sine, right? ASTC. If this angle is theta here, and this angle is theta here, these two angles, which is 180 minus theta here, have the sine value same. Sine of theta is the same as sine of 180 degree minus theta. These two are same, huh? That is why if you get one answer for sine inverse, there's another answer. It is how the possibility like that. So that's why I got this. Now we have to decide which one is the correct answer. Okay, we're looking for xm. Okay, why? The correct answer is this one. Okay, xm here. The reason is because the largest angle for the triangle on top here, right? The largest angle is this one, 90 degree. And the longer side is 45. So that means that xm must be less than 45. Okay, must divide by 5, so reject this as xm is less than 45 degree, right? The largest angle is 90 degree. Opposite the largest angle is 45. So xm, which is the side of the triangle, must be less than 45 now. This is how we decide here. So now I know what is xm now. We use one color. So xm is 44 degree, 27 minutes. Okay, this is how you find xm here. So I have WhatsApp this to you, and then let's see what is actually happening. Next one, huh? So I find out one information already. Let's copy this page now. Copy page down. Page. I did. Copy page now. Then I'm going to paste it to somewhere here. Okay. Okay, so let's erase the color now. XM is yellow no more. I don't want it here now. So you can up to you to find the px here. Okay, xm finished already. Let's try to find another one. Okay, let's try to find PM. Okay, PM. What to do PM now? Different rule now. So PM is one of yellow now. Okay, what can you find PM? Because you can only use the adjacent because you don't know what x1. So that means that you can only use this. Okay, so let's change the rule now. So this is product of tangent. Okay, product of tangent. Okay, so this one, all this change now. So let me erase all these things. So all this don't want anymore. So I'm looking for PM now, which is the yellow part. I want to find. Now this is product of tangent now. Product of tangent or what? Adjacent. Okay, adjacent I usually use a green color to tell people this is adjacent, green color. So product of tangent or adjacent. So what is this now? One of them is tangent of XM, and the other one is tangent of com P. Okay, because P is lower half of view, so there's com there. So we know that tangent of com P, we know is 1 over tangent P. Okay, so put in the tangent XP now. Okay, 44 degree, 27 minutes over tangent of 82 degree. And I find out what this thing. So, charge my pen first. Let's see what is this thing. So tangent of 44 degree, 27 minutes, alright. So I put there first. 44 degree, 44 degree, 27 minutes for tangent divided by tangent 82 degree. And this will give you 0.1378 there. 0.1378 now. 1379. So PM is equal to sine inverse of 0.1379. So sine inverse, so shift sine inverse answer. Okay, go back first. Answer 7.92, which is actually 7 degree 55 minutes. Okay, this is your PM. As I say, this is getting from sine inverse. Or PM is equal to 180 minus 7 degree 55 minutes. Okay, minus 180 now. And let's see what you get. It's actually 172 degree and 04 minutes. 5 minutes here. And you find that this one again is rejected. Okay, rejected here. Why? Because rejected here. Because the largest angle is 90 degree. Okay, opposite largest angle is 45 degree. Longer side is 45 degree, right? So your PM cannot be more than SPM must be less than 45 degree. Okay, the largest angle you can see from here is 90 degree, and longer side is here. Okay, so PM cannot be longer side, right? So therefore, it's actually 7 degree 55 minutes. So this is how you get 7 degree 55 minutes. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I can WhatsApp this page to you. Okay, so let's replace this one. Edit, copy page now. Edit, copy page now. Go to the next page now. Okay, so let me erase all these things. The coloring now is different now because I solved the coloring already. So MP, I don't need yellow anymore. Okay, and P, I don't need color now. So obviously, the only thing that I need yellow is this one. Okay, the only thing I need yellow is this one. So what should I do? You can use opposite with blue is one possibility, right? Or can use the adjacent with tangent. Since I already started without a tangent area, so I'm going to use continue. So let's look at how I do this. Okay, I use tangent again. Okay, so I can use tangent xn and tangent of px here. Okay, px is below the view, so it's called px. Now this one, this will also have a x1, right? X1 is actually sine of com x1. Okay, sine of com x1 because I need a com there because the middle part x1 is below the view. So the tangent xm and tangent com px. So tangent com px is actually 1 over px here now. And sine com x1, we know is cosine x1 now. Okay, now I just need to change a little bit. Xm is still the same. And the px is no longer 82 now. Px 45. Okay, so I now find out what's x1. Huh? So all this cancel away now. So erase all this, do calculation. So I need outside this and find out what is cosine x1 equal to. So get tangent 44 degree, 27 minutes over tangent 45 degree. So what is this equal to? Okay, tangent 44 degree, 27 minutes, then divided by tangent 45 degree, and this is 0.9809. Okay, 0.1810. Huh? So this is 0.9810 now. So x1 is equal to cosine inverse 0.9810. So press the cosine inverse now. So shift cosine inverse answer, and you get 11.19, which is 11 degree 12 minute now. So x1 is actually 11 degree 12 minutes. Okay, so you know x1 there. Okay, and the MP is 7 degree 55 minutes. X1 is 11 degree 12 minutes. Okay, so let's write down somewhere here. So this is how you find left hand side of the answer now. Okay, so then finish the left hand side. Now I look at the right hand side now. Okay, Edit, select page now. Okay, I think I have half hour left. Edit, copy, page. So move to here now. Okay, so I want to change the view now. Just now this view PMX here. I don't want PMX anymore. This one I'll finish already. Okay, finish already. So I don't want PMX now. So I go back to look at the view I have earlier. Okay, this is the one. Okay, copy down another view. So where's my report? Here. Okay, so I have this paste it here now. So let's see what I have. I know MX, right? MX we know is 44 degree. This one MX is 44 degree. 27 minutes. Okay. 44 degree 27 minutes. Yeah, MX here. On the calculation. Do you know what else? Okay. I know ZX here. ZX here. ZX is 51 degree. 52 minutes. ZX here. We are looking at the right row triangle now. So straight away, you can know what is the next thing. ZM you know, you don't know, Z you don't know. So the only thing I can find based on this is actually the yellow one must be in the X2 now. Okay, and then the green one, MX. It's the only thing you need. Okay, so let's do the same tangent one. Okay, so let's see what is this thing. I want to call my X2 now because X2 is in the lower half of the view. So this is actually comma X2 now. So let me change the X2 now. So this is X2 now. So X2, comma X2. So sine comma X2 we know is same like cosine X2 now. So this is X2 again. And then product of tangent XM, okay, on the right. And then but ZX on the bottom now. So this is ZX now. It's not PX anymore. So this is ZX here. So this is ZX here. Okay, XM is 44 degree 27 minutes, and ZX is 51 degree now. 51 degree. 52 minutes here. Okay, ZX here. So let's calculate. And this will be, okay, let's find out X2 now. So 44 degree, tangent 44 degree now, tangent 44 degree, 27 minutes, divided by tangent 51 degree, 52 minutes. Okay, this is 0.7701. From here get 0.7701. So X2 is equal to cosine inverse of 0.7701. So shift cosine inverse answer, you get 39 point something is 39.3 now. 39 degree 38 second. 39 degree 38 minutes, right? So this is my x2. So x2 is this answer 0, 39 degree, 38 minutes. So for now, I know what is x now, right? X is equal to x1 plus x2. Okay, let's check answer now. X1 is 11 degree, 12 minutes. Okay, x1 we calculated right now somewhere. X2 is 39 degree, 38 minutes there. So you can add them up. So plus 11 degree, 12 minutes, and you get 50 degree, 50 minutes. So 50 degree and 50 minutes. Off a little bit, huh? Is it correct? A bit off x. Okay, maybe calculation error. So I find out x already. So that means that okay, x right already. So let's find the other. Yes.
How much of an error are we able to have?
Error thing, I mean, depends on how much a calculator can do lah. Because some calculator will give different answer. So what I log usually have a different by, let's say, unique. Okay, so for example here, this one is 53 minutes, right? So as long as you are in the 50 range, you're right lah. Okay, but cannot different by the degree lah. It is okay lah.
Can. Thank you.
Okay. So different is supposed to less than 1 degree. Okay. Okay. Because every time I do calculation, I also got error. Okay. All right. So this is almost finished. I not much time left. Let me do one more part for you, right? So let me WhatsApp this to you because not much time really. Okay. So let me copy this page and move on. All right. So edit, copy select page here, edit, copy now, and then move on to the next page now. Okay, so let me erase the color now. Okay, I don't want the yellow here now. Yellow no need here. This one green normal. Okay, I'm actually left with what now? What can I use? I can find the ZM now, I think. Okay, ZM, I think can find out ZM, right? ZM can I use? Okay, I can use put it in the yellow first. Okay, and then you decide which one to use. ZM. Okay, so ZM can be okay. Yeah, no choice. Okay, ZM. If you want to find ZM, you have to use opposite now. Okay, ZM, no choice because you don't know what is Z yet. So find ZM first. So middle part is the product of cosine now. Okay, product of cosine. So cosine is about opposite now. So opposite. So opposite are usually a blue color here. So that means that this product of cosine now also ending to this now change already. ZM I can find straight away. Okay, then find the selection tool. I don't need this anymore. Splash. So product of cosine. So I start with cosine of. Now the problem is they are both in the lower end. Lower part we also get com of x2 cosine com of Zx. Okay, they are both in the low end, so that's why our com there. Now cosine, we know com is carry sine. Okay, sine of x2, sine of Zx. So put in x2 now. Okay, sine of 39 degree, 38 minutes, and sine of Zx. Zx is 51 degree, 52 minutes. Okay, so you can find the mz now. Okay, mz off. So you'll find that I will just copy the answer now. Okay, somebody have worked out the answer already. So I say that this answer is 30 degree, 7 minutes. Okay, 30 degrees 7 minutes. Huh? This one possible answer for ZM. Okay, so is there another answer? Yes, of course, another one, or there's another possibility because it do sign inverse here. Zm is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree 07. But this is a big angle, right? 150, 149 degree, and then 57. Okay, but this angle will reject. Okay, why reject here? Because again, the largest angle is 90 degree, so cannot be more than 51 degree, 52 minutes now. The largest angle is here. Okay, largest angle is here. So largest side is this one. So you know that Zm must be less than 51 degree, 52 minutes. Okay, so we know Zm is 30 degree, 30 minutes. Okay, so if you know the Zm, so this is actually 30 degree, 67 minutes now, or 7 minutes, right? So what is Pz now? So Pz is actually the side x, right? So you can like, so x is equal to Zm plus Mp. So Zm is 30 degree, 7 minutes. Mp is 7 degree, 55 minutes. So we add together, which is the length of this one now. Length of this one. So this is actually 30 degrees, 7 minutes, right? So you get 30 degree, 07 minutes there, plus 7 degree, 55 minutes is 38 degree, 2 minutes. Okay, or 3 minutes, okay? 38 degree. So this 38 degree, 2 minutes. Because off a little bit, okay? So this is how you find the side opposite the angle x here. So last part now, almost finished. So there might be too many things I handle. So fix this one. Sometimes I want to pick up calculator, then I pick up the handphone. And if I pick up a handphone, then I pick up calculator. Sounds so confusing. So now I move on to the last part, right? The last part now. So edit, select page here, edit, copy page now. So go to next page now. So the only thing I left is the Z now. So let me change the color here. Okay, so I'm here. So I want the yellow to be here now. That I want to find. So up to you now. Since I use the cosine, right? So let me try the cosine again. Okay, put out cosine, right? So let me see how is it now. So now I need to, this one is a sine again of com z. So sine of them of com z, because z is on the lower half. Okay, com z here. So this is yellow. And then x2 is com x2, yes, but mx on top. So this one is mx now. So this one is same as before, com x2, but this one is cosine now. Cosine mx. Okay, x2 we know, this cosine mx now. So change the cosine. And mx is 44 degree. So 44 degree, 27 minutes. So from here we can find out what is com sine com z is actually same as cosine z now. So now I can find z now. So what is this thing? Let's try. What is this thing now? Okay. There's only one answer now because of cosine. Okay, so sine 39 degree. So we can pick now sine 39 degree, 38 second, 30 minute. Okay, sorry. This is sine. Then cosine, then cosine, 44 degree and 27 minutes. And you get 0.455. 35. So z is equal to cosine inverse 0.4554, right? So take a calculator, shift cosine inverse, answer, and then you find that this 62991 is 62 degree 55 minutes. Okay, off on 1 minute. Okay, so this is how you do this question 3, right? Finish already. So this one finish. Okay, 62 degree 55 minutes. Okay, this is how you answer question 3. So question 2 and 4, I leave it for you. So maybe I can stop recording now. Okay, I think I recorded right. So stop recording.